Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Kabir Khanna on Kabir's Stream, and today yet again I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make money on casino with the app that I have made, with the AI that I have built over the past couple of years, and now we just get into playing and making some money. And also don't forget about my Telegram channel. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I do live streams on Tuesday, Thursday and also Friday. So, like I said, all the information is on my Telegram. And this is gonna be on auto withdrawal. हमको दोनों को आकाश भैया एंड निखिल पहचान पाए. अरे भाई, मैं इतनी जल्दी भूलता नहीं हूँ मेरे लोगों को जो स्ट्रीम पे आते हैं. Okay, let's see. I have to switch to Lucky Jet. Switched. Let's run the round analysis. Did not lose anything. Whoa, AI is right on point. Nice. Oh, I did not place in my bet. It's all okay. Slowly and steadily we'll make some profits. Let's place in the bet. Hopefully Lucky Jet will be lucky today. Nice. I mean, not great but not bad as well. Let's run the round analysis. Nice. I'm gonna take out the money. Easy 2,800 over there. From the bat, it has been bad rounds. I mean, we did not lose any kind of serious money over here, but still. Let's take out the money. 3,500 easy cash. अरे थैंक यू आकाश, बहुत ज़्यादा थैंक यू एक्चुअली, and especially when you did not have money in that account, so I think it's only for the better. 3,000 easy. Just listen to the AI. अरे भाई, मैं कोई बुरा नहीं मान रहा हूँ, जब भी पैसे होंगे कर लेना. आपने पैसे बनाने हैं वो तो मेरा तो उसमें क्या रोल है. मैंने तो जब AI देना था वो मैंने दे दिया. अब पैसे बनाने का सिलसिला आपके ऊपर है, राइट, कि आप कब बनाना चाहते हो पैसे. आराम से भाई, इतना कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है. और यहाँ पे जो है हमने पैसे बना लिए इजी. 8x डावा मनी. लकी जेट ठीक चल रहा है यार, टचवुड. भाई फिर आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. मैं तो यहीं पे भी बहुत सिस्टमैटिकली चलता हूँ यार, इसलिए तो है जो पैसे बनते हैं. यू हैव टू गो विद द सिस्टम. Yes bro, Himanshu bro, everything will be great. और आकाश भाई कहाँ खो गए? I don't know bro. उस दिन एक दिन में I guess we lost around 5 to 6 lakhs I think. That was a big amount. The success that you're gonna make and the consistency you put in, and when you're gonna die, those are the two things that are certain, and nothing else in life is certain. But this AI will definitely give you a lot better structure than if you would just simply go in and start playing the game without any knowledge, and you just put your faith in luck. विष्णु जी का रिप्लाई नहीं आया कोई. विष्णु, are you still here? I'm a beginner. How much balance to start playing?
I don't know how to play. I think an ideal start is, anywhere from around 1,000 to 3,000. Where you have, decent amount of chances. You can manage your budget well and also make, decent amount of profit every single day. So I think anywhere from around 1,000 to 3,000 is nice if you can take it out. But if you have less, it's no problem. Like, make money as you want to. डबल मालूम है क्यों गया? एनालिसिस रॉन्ग आ रहा था हमारा, हाफ जा रहा था, तो मैं इस बारी जो है इस अमाउंट का डबल चला गया. अरे कोई बात नहीं आकाश भाई, आपके लिए कुछ भी ब्रो. ओके आकाश, 30,000. I mean, we are stuck on the 12 lakh mark. I'll also be back in a bit, guys. I hope that whilst I'm gone, you will have the access to the AI and you will ask me some more questions if you have any, obviously. And yeah, wait for me 5 to 6 minutes and I'll be back. On an average अगर मैं बात करूं, 2 लाख रुपए इससे बनाता हूं on an average. Sometimes less, sometimes more, but like 1 to 2 lakhs is like the average. One lakh, nice. I shouldn't go for more over here. I think I will go for like 15,000 as usual. Live works, my brother. Twitch pay, YouTube pay, that's how every live works. There is a delay, there is a delay every single time. And you cannot change anything about it because it's just how the system works.